Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is having a good time. Welcome back to my channel, Vlog with Robina Preeti Patni. Just a snap
Come
of
on,
my
get
daily
up.
routine in North Carolina, where I'm right now with my parents, enjoying just getting some vacations, small vacations done, and having a good time. The early morning in South Carolina, that's the Caribbeans. We were stuck here for the snow storm. The first snowstorm I actually saw very close to my eyes, and it was really worthy. Though it was very chilly and very cold, but it was really enjoyable. गुड मॉर्निंग वाली चाय आप सबके लिए मेरे तरफ से. I was trying to tell you guys that I have to stand here और इसको देखना पड़ता है क्योंकि मेरे से हमेशा चाय गिर जाती है और फिर मेरी मम्मी जो है मुझे डांटती है as usual. So I had to stand there and see to that I don't drop any tea, which is so inevitable and I just can't help it. होता है मुझसे. That's the view from my room. You can see the snowstorm there and you can see here also. Quite a bit. Now that was really windy, but I just wanted you all to see how windy it was. It was really, really windy. You're just going before this is actually after the snowstorm. I thought just let's pick up something, some food to eat. Just went near the gas station. That's the Q trip and just got some little bites for ourselves. That's Rafik Patni. Hey, Patni. That's me. High five from my end. As usual, I'm just trying to see around. And you know what? I don't see anything for myself as I really like everything spicy. Nothing I could find spicy. All I could find is honey, 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 honey. And mita, 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 mita. Not fair, guys. Not fair. They should have some spice in their rack. That's my back to the hotel and just थोड़ा बहुत आराम कर लेते हैं before. Yeah, that's 111. Yes, so yeah, early morning, mummy's house. So I thought I'll just make some salad for my bhabhi and myself. That's lettuce, that's the grilled chicken. You can see my mom behind. She wouldn't let me do anything. She wanted me to make sure that I do it in peace and absolutely fast. So you can see I put the lettuce, the onion, the chicken, the corn, the coriander. I mixed it very well with oregano oil, a salad dressing, and oregano and lime. एंड येस मम्मी के डर से मैंने बहुत जल्दी 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 ये सैलड बनाया. होप आपको पसंद आया. मेरी मम्मी को बहुत पसंद आया. एंड दैट्स द सैलड. यू कैन सी. अगर मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा डू subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Yes, mama loved it. She had it in the night also. She doesn't have generally. There she goes. My